Hi guys, I just want to show you this amazing thing in Thailand. As you can see, like these shelves here are they use this to put random food for people who are affected by the pandemic. Yung mga no work no pay, or yung mga kapwa nila Thai citizen na walang pambili ng pagkain or walang pera, they can just grab anything from this shelves. It can be a rice or noodles or water. You can also put anything that you think that other people need, like those canned goods or kahit ano lang na pwede nilang magamit or makain. And then they are very honest, guys. That is what's amazing in Thailand, is because they are very honest. They're not greedy, and they just get what they need. As you can see, nobody's here right now. Walang tao dito ngayon, walang nagbabantay, pero andyan lang talaga yan siya, guys. And bale, sobrang honest talaga nila, and they will just come here, pick what they need, and they just leave. Hindi siya kailangang bantayan, walang security, walang kumukuha ng sobra-sobra. Kaya I love Thailand. You will see they are very amazing people. And then, yan yung mga signs na get your food. And you can also add more if you can. And yeah, this is just at the at my area where we live. There's one. So far, I have only seen these shelves. And yeah, it's just so amazing. It really makes me happy, and it really inspires us na there are still humanity in this world. So yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye! Kaptun ka, sawadee ka!